Hey, so I want to do a real quick review of this fantastic little portable budget entry-level graphics tablet I bought for my kids to use to be able to learn, just digital drawing and art. This thing is tiny, but it's got a great space. It comes in a 6x4 and also larger sizes as well. So if I just let me hold that up to the camera, you can see this is the XP pen. If I just hold this to the side, look how thin that is. Really nice, and also the surface is really nice. It's really high quality. The pen glides across it. You see, it's so light. So here's the actual pen as well. You get just sort of like an entry-level pen, but it's absolutely fine. It's a bit plasticky, but I mean, for the price, you just wouldn't expect anything less, and it's great. So I'm just going to load up a drawing app now, and let's just give it a test. So here I am in a popular drawing application. I've got a sort of a pressure sensitive brush chosen. And just let me show you the sort of quality I'm getting from this sort of, entry level tablet. You can see it's really nice. See this? So, I've got no lazy mouse or anything on. And the harder I push, if I push really lightly and then the harder I push, really nice. It's just really nice to be able to, it's smooth, it's responsive. You see how quick I'm going there. So if I say go really quick, it still follows me. So I'm really surprised at this sort of, low end, just budget cost, tablet. If I just quickly say, let's just try drawing something, here, just swap the colors over. You can see, for sketching, well, I'm just doing something really quick just to test the sketching. And it just feels nice, It's just, I'm just really sketching something quick here. There you go. It's just, it's nice and responsive, and I only, like I say, I mentioned, I only really bought it for my younger children to be able to, learn digital art and things like this. But yeah, I mean, you could literally take this away, and because it's so portable, you could use this as a sort of semi-professional level, really, I think, as well. So yeah, not bad at all.